Today's video is going to be installing new RAM into your PC. It's pretty simple, straightforward, but I'm going to show you how to do it on my friend's PC. He's got Whipjaw right here. I think he says, oops. So this is the RAM. They are Whipjaw and a 24 megahertz and a 32 gig kit. So we got 4 sticks here. He's running dual channel, and it's got this little low megahertz RAM in it, so a RAM upgrade is exactly what he needs. And he's also got mix match. But let's get into how you install RAM. Well, the first thing you want to do is unplug your PC from the wall, shut everything down before you unplug it from the wall, and then take your cover off. The NZXT case got a screen that's very easy to remove. Once you get that, you can come into your PC. Make sure you're grounded with a wrist strap or one around your ankle, or touch something metal. Make sure you have no static charge on you. And hit these 2 little clips, just like so. Oops. Oops. Been a while since I messed with this PC, guys. Here's his other one. So let's go ahead and insert this new RAM. Now, these was bought off eBay. These is not brand new. They supposed to come out of a working PC, and it was a great deal on there. Amy, she got them for like $130 for a 32 gigabyte DDR4 kit. So make sure all your tabs is open, and they are. Now these press in. They got a little notch on them right here. You gotta line that notch up. If you don't, you're gonna have a bad day. And then just insert them and mash till you hear them click. Does 1, does 2. Now you want to do that for all 4. And make sure they line up before you do this. You don't want to damage anything. Make sure they start. Does 1, does 2. Let's go ahead and do another one. Does 1, 2. And that tab must not be open. It wasn't. I'm shaking. That bottom one open? No. Yep. Okay. Just ain't lining it up on there. It'll help if I turn it around. That's the reason you don't want to force anything. If it don't look like it's fitting good, then don't make it go. Does 1, does 2. Make sure I clip down. Okay, now that the RAM is installed, you need to go into your BIOS. We're going to make sure we got the 4 megahertz of this RAM kit working on this PC. And make sure it's showing up 32 gigs. So we're going to power it on, hit the delete key just to pull up BIOS and see what we got. Okay, let's set XMP to on because it is off. DDR speed is 800 megahertz here, 3.7 gigahertz on the CPU. So let's just go ahead and put this onto on. Let's exit. That is enabled. Not recommended to do any modification under the BIOS overclock menu. We know. Boom. 3.7. Everything's good. Motherboard temperature 0. Legacy. Boot priority. This is everything you wanted. Over here, 4. We should be good. We keep that on. Everything's showing up good. So now we got everything. Let's just go ahead and try out a game. So we tried it out on Warzone. It games great. Everything performs. Everything's working right. Thermals are great. The next upgrade for this computer, I think he wants a new core for the CPU, because that stock Intel one is kind of lacking. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment as always, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.